Here's another challenge for you. Implement an array of nicknames for your cat and use a control flow structure to display them all. Control flow structures in Knockout are ways of doing things programmatically in your view. They're similar to if statements and loops, but in your bindings in the HTML. For example, what if you could have a bunch of nicknames and you want to put each one in its own div? In my example here, I've put all of my nicknames in their own li element. Now, if you wanted to do that, you could use the for each binding to render each one of them in that particular way. Now also, as with anything new, the phrases that Knockout uses can be intimidating. Control flow sounds a little bit scary. It's just a fancy word for things that are nonlinear, like loops and conditionals like if statements. Now this time, I'm going to ask you to figure out how to actually implement this. Open up the Knockout documentation and click on that page right there. Read the page that talks about the for each binding and have at it. Now actually, before you have at it, remember to commit your code in a repository at each step, so you can always reset if you code yourself into a corner. And if you do get stuck, or for example, aren't sure how to get the actual array item into the bindings, read the documentation more thoroughly. All the answers you need should be there waiting for you.